Okay, day 7. I lost the footage from the camera here yesterday. I had a battery fail. So there's the trash parts from the Toyota Tundra. There might be some not trash parts in there. And again, cleaning up. There's the Steiner bicycles, part of the garage. Might have to do brakes on the Tucson. But I have the rack somewhat torn apart here. And I get the lights to work. Nope. No fluorescent lights. Okay. So these two bolts here are the ones replacing the center section bolt that holds the rack. This was the stud on the top side of the rack. That was the lower, or actually this is the lower, this is the upper bolt that went into this piece. One's actually bigger than the other. I didn't know that. So, and then the big bolt, and the big bolt's head's a little bit beat up. But Jared over at Mid-South Parts House got me a new, well, I bought it from him, a new rag joint and a steering shaft. So I cleaned it up, painted it with the car paint from Lincoln again, and then we'll put it on the rack. Splines match, everything match. We're in good shape there. Here's the other part that I got from him. Oops, I gotta plug it in. So the steering shaft that was rusted. And here's that rag joint in really rough shape. And the old steering shaft I had to actually cut off to get it off the truck. Now I'm a little bit dirty. I'll wipe off with a rag here. So the steering column comes up through this nice little rubber boot and then gets attached onto the splines right there. I don't know if it'll show, it's probably a little bit blurry from being close. This camera doesn't close up real good. But that's the new steering shaft. And you can see it a little bit here. And again, some more of the paint from the Lincoln. And then down there. Hopefully I don't drop this guy. Okay. And that is day 7. Go take a little walk through the toolboxes here. And back out. Okay.